could be the start of a promising career. And how about the go-kart action? Are we pumped about that?
Yes.
Awesome.
Let's see if I'm tall enough to drive.
Yeah, you're not tall enough to drive. I'm pretty sure. But we can look. I mean, it can't hurt to look, right?
This is not right.
Yeah, I think you're about 4 inches too short. Darn it.
I thought it was 2 inches.
Well, let's just go there and see what we can do. We can share one. Is that cool?
Yeah.
All right. Going for our first shot. Once again, it's Sawyer Turner.
Number 4. Number 4.
Number 4.
I am so lucky. Enough to play where it lands.
No, you gotta pull it out of there. You can't shoot it out of there. Pull it out and just set it to the side.
Pull it out?
Yeah, because you don't want to hit the net.
Oh, nothing is happening there.
There you go. This isn't professional, so. Watch it and... Oh, you almost got it. Be real careful now you get it. Alright.
Okay. Here she goes again. Ooh.
Damn, right back where we started.
Oh.
I am not going to shoot from there then. I'll shoot. That's one.
Did that go in the water?
Yep.
It went in the water.
It went in the water. hopefully it doesn't go back in the water.
Yeah, her ball went in the water.
Well, I'll tell you what, I can't do it.
Oh, that was closer than I did, I think.
I'm a serious lack of depth perception.
Whoa, that was close. Yay! Okay, number 5, and this one looks very good. Here in Volcano Falls. Let's see, wait.
All right, you ready?
Where's my ball?
Yeah, I think you left it over there.
Dang it.
Better go get it, hurry. Are you seriously talking to the ball? If it answers you, we're in trouble.
I'm going to think. Whoa!
Whoa, that's really cool.
That was not my idea, but okay.
Wow. Man, I am in trouble here. Oh, 2, 3, and 4.
Here she goes.
Watch your ball.
My ball.
Run away. Oh, dang it.
Whoops. Don't murder me. Did it go over there? That naughty, naughty ball. Oh, there it is.
We'll just put it here so we're not here all day.
Oh, I got it. I got my shadow all over
I'll
it.
take a 2-point penalty for that one.
Ooh.
What's that? We're gonna cheese.
This looks like someone got in a hole in one. I can't even get a hole in one that close. Somehow.
We're at hole 6. I gotta write down her score. Alright, we got people playing through, so I would... I did that already. Yeah, it doesn't pay to be cross-eyed, does it? Dang it. I can't. I have absolutely no depth perception. It is so sad, really. Oops.
And it. Oh, that was far. Oh. Out into the street.
And it. Oh, that was far. Oh. Out into the street. Well, you know, I really should put something up there.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen, dude. Seriously? No, 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 no. I wouldn't do that. Well, I don't know. Maybe I use yours and try not to get rid of it.
No, it's alright.
I'll just use yours. We'll go get it later. All right. Hopefully I don't lose both of those.
Oh yeah, that wouldn't be too good. Then I'm gonna have to jump the fence.
And then we'll have to go back and get another ball.
And jump the fence. Oh, yours got stuck in the hump. Boo!
That's fine.
Yeah. My club. Okay. Ladies first.
I gotta write the score in.
Okay. We're gonna have to hit this with this. Oh.
Alright, here goes Sawyer on hole 7.
We're gonna have to bounce this like a jelly bean. Whoa!
Did you get a hole in one?
That was a hole in one.
Wow! How about that? Looks like you did. We just witnessed it, folks.
Okay, now
hopefully Grandma doesn't lose the ball.
Yeah. Okay, Grandma does it this time. She puts down the yellow ball of goldenness and she hits. Yeah, that's probably a good idea. She hit it.
Sand trap in the water.
Aw, man. What do you mean sand trap? This is the water trap. Right next to this thing.
At least I didn't dunk it in the water.
Well, yeah. Mine almost got hit in water. There we go.
We both got the rain.
Sweet.
Go get the stuff.
Awesome.
Why is it your favorite?
Because.
Can I have the scorecard? Oh. Oh. Okay.
Here, let's go try it out. Here, which hole should I shoot? This one.
Wait. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, looks like it's gonna go. Did it go in?
No!
You missed it.
No! It went over the hole.
You wanna try it again?
I want to run with the ball.
Sure, don't lose my phone, man.
Everything's gonna be alright.
Oh, wait, B.
She's trying to swat at it. Oh, wait. I think you have to hit it again. Okay, you can either hit it over there or there. Oh, wait. There. No, there. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Oh. So close. Can't believe it just, like, jumped. Even though that's a hole. There we go. This one's awesome. There. I touched it. That means I hit it.
Another one of those runaway balls. Four, 5. We got 5.
Okay. She washes it. She sets it down. She strikes. Here, let's go down this very steep thing. Oh, it jumped over the hole.
Right over the hole.
Yeah. Here. Come on, hit it. Hit the meat. Oh. Hit the meatball. Hit it like a meatball. Yay!
Push those.
I'm probably gonna kill myself with a heart attack. There's water!
Yeah, I gotta be real careful. Grandma tends to put it in the water. Well, you are just naturally good at this stuff.
Oh, sniping!
Did you really? Oh, no, you didn't.
Hole in one.
Yes, you did. Way to go, dude.
Okay, Grandma hits, she strikes, and she gets a... Oh! That was close. It was so close. Don't worry, I feel like you sometimes. When I can't just do that.
4.
Yay! So I put the golf club over here. Hole number 15.
And it's going to keep the ball, so either you win or you lose.
Okay, I got a 2. Hopefully she gets a 1.
But we'll see what we can do here.
What? Oh!
I got 2.
No!
You both got 2. You can't get it, it's gone.
No, I could have got it. I was this close.